Hello students, I am Dushman sir. Welcome you to my YouTube channel DK Creation. In this video, I discuss about how we know about the nature of image, position of object, position of image, and type of mirror if magnification of an image is given. So, watch the video till the end and know how we can determine the position of object, position of image, nature of image, and type of mirror if magnification is given. Let's start. If magnification has negative sign, then the nature of image is real and inverted. And if the sign of magnification is positive, then the nature of image is virtual and erect. And we know clearly that if the nature is real, then the mirror is always concave mirror, because concave mirror is the only mirror which can produce real image. And if magnification is positive sign, then the image is virtual and erect. And virtual image is formed by all the mirror, plane mirror, convex mirror, and concave mirror. So how we know that? Then come to the magnification, that its value. If value of magnification is a proper fraction, then the size of image is less than size of object. If value of magnification is improper fraction, then size of image is greater than size of object. If magnification of image is 1, then size of image is equal to size of object. So clearly we can determine the type of mirror. If sign of magnification is negative, then image is real and inverted, and the mirror is always concave mirror. If sign of magnification is positive, then mirror is either concave or convex or plane. Then how we distinguish that the mirror is convex mirror, concave mirror, or plane mirror? If the sign of magnification is positive but the value is a proper fraction, then mirror is convex mirror. If the sign of magnification is positive and the value is improper fraction, then the mirror is concave mirror. And if the sign of magnification is positive and the value is 1, then the mirror is plane mirror. Here I put some question and answer for you to know about how we can determine the position of object, position of image, nature of image, type of mirror if magnification of image is given. Let's discuss some question. Question number 1. The magnification of image found by a mirror is -3/2. Write the position of object and image, nature of image, and type of mirror. Let's discuss the answer. Here sign of magnification is negative, so the nature of image is real and inverted. And I told that if the sign of magnification is negative, the type of mirror is concave. And the value of magnification is 3/2, and 3/2 is an improper fraction. For the value of improper fraction, the size of image is greater than size of object. So for this magnification, the object is placed between C and F, and the image is formed beyond C. Question number 2. The magnification of image found by a mirror is 5/3. write the position of object and image, nature of image and type of mirror. Here the magnification is, sign of magnification is positive, so the nature of image is virtual and erect. As the value is improper fraction, so the size of image is greater than size of object. For getting virtual image and greater size image, the mirror is concave mirror. So for concave mirror producing virtual image, the position of object is always between P and F, pole and focus, and the position of image is beyond the mirror. So for this, always that condition is applied. If the magnification is positive and value is improper fraction, so the mirror is concave mirror and the position is always between P and F, and the position of image is beyond the mirror. Question number 3. The magnification of image found by a mirror is 2/5. Write the position of object and image, nature of image and type of mirror. Here the sign of magnification is positive, so nature of image is virtual and erect. As the value of magnification is a proper fraction, so size of image is small size. As image is virtual and small size, the virtual image and small size image is formed by convex mirror. So for this magnification, the mirror is convex mirror. For getting such magnification, the object is placed at any point on principal axis of convex mirror and the image is formed between P and F. So every time if the question is asked, the magnification is given as positive sign and a proper fraction, so the answer is always the mirror is convex mirror, position of object is at any point on the principal axis, and the position of image is between P and F. If question is asked that magnification of an image is -1, then what is the position of object, position of image, nature of image and type of mirror? Here as the -1, minus means image is real and 1 means same size. The real image is formed by a concave mirror, and for same size image the object is placed at C and the image is also formed at C. So if magnification of an image is -1, the mirror is concave mirror, nature of image is real and inverted, position of object is at C, position of image is also at C. Then if question is asked that magnification of image is +1, so plus means virtual image, 1 means same size. The virtual and same size image is formed only by plane mirror. So if magnification is given +1, then image is virtual and same size and the mirror is plane mirror. Question number 6. If the magnification of image found by a mirror is -1/2, write the position of object and image and type of mirror. Here magnification is negative, so I told that if magnification is negative, the nature of image is real and inverted and the type of mirror is always concave mirror. And as here value is 1/2, it is a proper fraction, so size of image is smaller than size of object. So for this getting magnification, the object is placed beyond C and the image is formed between C and F. If magnification is a proper fraction, then for getting real image in concave mirror, the object is always placed beyond C and image is always formed between C and F.